A method in JavaScript is a function that's associated with certain values or objects. An example you've already encountered is the log property method, which is part of the console object. Arrays have their own methods, and the first you will explore is the push method. This allows you to push a value to the end of an array, and here is an example. So we access the array, we use the push method, and inside of it would be the value 12. So we added this value 12 to the array at the end of this array. So we are to use the push method to add a string free code camp at the end of our rows array, and add this code before your console.log so you can see the change you made to an array to your array rather. So we access our array called rows, interpolate the method which is the push, and inside of it here would be the value that would be pushed at the end of our array, which is the rows, and that value would be the string free code camp. Don't forget the semicolon. Nice.